All right, Bart, part 3. One of the most important parts of any AR, whether it's a 15, 10, LR308, is going to be the heart of the system, the bolt carrier group. This right here is what strips around, throws it in the chamber. Once it's fired, pulls the casing out and throws it out. I went nitride, black nitride, melanite. They've got all kinds of names for it. They also have nickel boron. I don't care too much for the nickel boron. It's a little overrated. It's great. It's excellent. It's a coating though. This is nitride, black nitride, melanite. It's an actual surface treatment. It's quench, polish, quench, I believe. There's a few different ones out there. This is basically a surface treatment, and I also oil it. They say you don't have to, but I do, and it's going to be really, really good and hard. Typically, it's going to be 8620. The bolt head is made out of 9310 steel, which is just a little bit more. I believe the Rockwell hardness on it's a little bit harder than the 8620. And it's just a really good steel. So I'm going to show you how to break it down. So this is what's taken out of here. Once you're done, you really should do this maybe every 1,000 rounds, really, maybe 500 rounds, somewhere's in there. These things are awesome. So first thing you do is you have a firing pin, retaining pin here. This is going to take a little tool of some sort. I just use my little wheeler, guy here. So I push this out like so. Grab him all the way out. Pull the actual bolt out like so to make sure it's all the way out. See how you can push that bolt in and out like that? So you want him in all the way out, and you want him out like so. And then now your firing pin will fall right out. So there's your firing pin. And that's what you want to clean right there. See how it's all black and gunky? And I'll take care of that. I will. I'll clean all of that. But you don't want that getting all gunked up, because you don't want that getting stuck or anything like that. So you want to clean all that off whenever you do clean it. That's what you want to clean. All right. Now that we're there, now that the firing pin is out, you want to go ahead and take your fist or your palm of your hand. You want to push all the way back, and then you're going to find your cam. This is your cam right here, and it can be rotated. See how I can rotate it? See how it's long ways? That's no good. You don't want it long. You want it vertical, almost like that. And it's a real tight squeeze. So what you want to do is you want to get your fingernail or something up under there, and it's real tight, bud. So get it. Let me see if I can. There we go. And it's real hard clearance. Oh, it just slipped back. Real hard. Of course, when the camera's on. Come on. There we go. All right, see? So once you get that out, that's your cam pin, or your cam. Now, that's your bolt. So there's your bolt right there. Okay? So at this point, your bolt carrier group is totally broken down. You can just take a brush in there, scrub it all around, scrub it all good, scrub your raceways and your railways and everything, because that's where the friction runs all and all that, okay? All right, let's put it back together. Now, the way the bolt looks, you'll see you have your ejector. So you'll see, like on your lugs, you'll see all your lugs look all the same. You'll have your, extractor and your ejector. So you want your ejector on the opposite side of your extractor, and your extractor want to be facing you when you're looking at it. Just like that. And then you'll see right where the little hole lines up, right here on the inside. Just like so. And then you want to take that cam, and remember how I told you it's long, and then you've got curved ends and you've got straight ends. And you want to slide it in on the curved end, and it'll slide right in just like that. Okay? Now once it's in and it's slid right in like that, then you want to pull the bolt back out like that. And then I take my hand, so I cover up those holes, and then I just take the firing pin and I just drop it in and let it fall all the way in. And see, went all the way down in. I just take my finger and I push it down a little bit more, and then you push him in and you're good to go. and then just push it back and forth a little bit, and you're good to go. And that's how you do your bolt carrier group.